Mga ka-nation, welcome po sa The Sexy Music Assassins Cooking Vlog. Ang lulutuin po natin ngayon ay ang simpleng pagluto ng nilagang baboy. Simple lang po. Hihiwain natin itong baboy sa desired sizes. Pagkatapos nating hiwain ang ating karne, magpakulo po tayo ng tubig. Ito po ang ating ingredients. ½ kilo of pork, 1/2 teaspoon of black peppers, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We also need 9 pieces of these bokchoy leaves, just like that, and 1/2 bag of the Idaho potatoes, but you can use any potatoes or any brand you like. 1 1/2 tablespoon of fried garlic, and 1 1/2 tablespoon of fried onions. And of course, our cooking vlog is not complete without this Diet Pepsi. Of course, that's for me. And I'm going to drink that. So we will just make sure that our water is very, very hot. And now we will add our fish sauce. Soy sauce, our black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Morton iodized salt. But you can use any salt or any brand of salt you like. We'll now add our meat. In the boiling water. So we will cover this one, bring it to a boil, and simmer until it's tender. So when the meat is already tender, we will now add the potatoes. And our bokchoy vegetable. Simmer it until it's cooked. To complete the flavor, I'm going now to add the fried garlic and the fried onions. You can now serve your nilagang pork while it's hot. Happy eating! If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and comment below and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching the Sexy Music Assassins cooking vlog. Again, this is tbsp Abigail, and I wanna say happy eating. I love you all. Bye. Until my next vlog. See you all next time.